Hello guys, welcome back to Stroll with me. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video I'm gonna take you to IKEA store, and I'm gonna show you the entire IKEA store located in Lichtenberg, Berlin, and at the same time I'm gonna also show you different options. How can you accommodate yourself in a very cost effective low budget IKEA home slash furnitures, because here it's very common in Berlin to get unfurnished house, and it is also a tedious task to arrange all your furniture and also the kitchen. That's why I'm gonna take you there, and I'm gonna show you different options. How can you arrange your kitchen, what are the options available, and also I'm gonna show you some furniture pieces, some general home essentials. So stick with me, let's get going.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want.
So guys, the bed is gonna cost you 178 euro. This is one of the preferable option that you can keep in mind. 99 euro. And this lamp, only if you need this one, the outer lamp, it's for 3 euro. And if you also need this fitting, this black color fitting, it's 15 euro. Also have a side table which is 9 euro. So this is a budget friendly bedroom setup, I can say. So this looks like really good. I think in almost 250 euro your bedroom will be ready, except the wardrobe. Nowadays open wardrobe is really trending, so you also have open wardrobe, and the open wardrobe cost you 144.
There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. Now you always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want.
This is only cover of the pillow, and this is the pillow price. So there, this is the pillow. Bazook, no, it's the pillow cover. It's the pillow.
Drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now.
One of the cheapest option in the sofa is 349, and it is 3-seater sofa, and it's sofa cum bed. So if you're interested, guys, I will definitely suggest this sofa. So it will look something like this. And guys, I have found another cheapest option. The sofa is for 179. So this is the sofa cum bed. This is sofa cum bed. So you have blue and the gray colors, but the only problem is it doesn't have like the arms, which usually people like to lie on the corner with their arms, with the sofa on the sofa arm. So this one doesn't have sofa arm, but for 179 it's not at all a bad deal. It is really good. You see, this is sofa. It will transfer into bed.
Drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever?
Guys, this is for the bathroom, and this stand looks really good. Here you can hang all your brushes, wax, towels, hair dryers.
I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much.